Here at Langham, we take pride in having the best cold chain solutions for our community.
We pick, pack, and ship for several large pharmaceutical companies. We have 3 temperature zones: controlled room temperature, our main space, and then our cooler and our freezer. Inventory control or inventory accuracy in any facility can be challenging. I'd say it's really critical here in this operation because in this type of environment, in a life science environment, the impact is larger and more critical because the items that we are pick, packing, and shipping are life-saving.
Traditionally, the inventory process, the employee will go out there and physically count and make sure that everything's in the freezer correctly.
The traditional method of cycle counting is time consuming. When you add in the colder temperatures to that process, it definitely makes it more challenging to ensure you're being accurate in the job that you're trying to do.
It's really cold in there. It's negative 20 degrees Celsius and they have to bundle up. We can only be in there for 15 minutes at a time. Compared to physically counting the inventory, Gather AI makes the process effortless. We just tell the drone where to go, it goes, takes its pictures, and we get that inventory straight to us on the dashboard. I don't have to go physically to every location in the freezer and check what I'm looking for accuracy. The drone does all that work for me.
Having pictures with your inventory reports is nice. It's almost like a trust but verify approach, but it also gives the client, our customers, that confidence that we are ensuring the product is in the right place and we're ensuring the integrity of the product all throughout the life cycle at this facility.
So these cold chain environments, the freezer is a very extreme and harsh environment for not only humans, but also hardware and equipment. We actually reinvented our entire system through the cart. So it's a completely different cart setup. We have different features implemented into the cart to help get that drone in the air and keep the drone in the air for roughly the same amount of time that it's actually in a regular supply chain environment.
We have a really important job, so we want to make sure that when we ship things out, they're correct because you never know what that product's going to or who it's going to help. I'm passionate about working here because I'm a true servant and I take pride in knowing that our product is going straight to somebody that needs it.
Providing our teams with leading technology solutions that not only optimize the operation but enhance safety is something that we at Langham pride ourselves on. What this technology allows us to do is start the flight mission, step out of that temperature zone, and then check back on that flight or that drone at set intervals.
Just getting to see the lives of the people I help so they don't have to go from spending, 15 minutes here and there inside of a freezing environment, a very extreme environment. They come in for a minute or two, swap the drone out, and then they're back out on the floor. It's motivational to see how we're changing the lives of the people that have to spend time in these freezers.